This Kathmandu chapter, author is Vikram Seth. What is writing? Say, I get a cheap room in the center of a town and sleep for hours. Okay. The next morning, so I get a cheap room in the center of the town. We understand this. I get a cheap room in the center of the town, we understand. But here another thing, and sleep for hours. That means he got also to sleep. He also got the opportunity to sleep for hours. Okay. The next morning, with Mr. Shah's son and nephew. Next morning, with Mr. Shah's son and nephew, I visit the two temples in Kathmandu that are most sacred to Hindus and Buddhists. Okay. So next morning what he did, he visited with somebody, Shah's son, Mr. Shah's son. Okay. To two temples. Okay. They are most sacred to Hindus and Muslims. Hindus and sorry. Yes. Hey, इधर आओ. तुम आओ इधर. Yes. I told something wrong now. What is that? Wait. Can't tell. Okay. Stand up there. So, at Pasupatinath, outside which a sign proclaims entrance for Hindus only. Okay, that is the Pasupatinath. There is an atmosphere of febrile confusion. Okay, febrile confusion means hurried activity, complete chaos. Chaos क्या होता है? Yes, chaos मतलब indiscipline. हाँ, okay, हाँ, chaos. कोई chaos बोलता है, कोई chaos बोलता है, right? हाँ, right. There is an atmosphere of febrile confusion. Priests, hawkers, devotees, tourists, cows, monkeys, pigeons, and dogs roam through the grounds. All roam through the ground. All are moving here and there. We offer a few flowers. There are so many worshippers that some people there are so many worshippers. Many worshippers, many people were there. That some people trying to get the priest's attention are elbowed aside by others, pushing their way to the front. There are so many worshippers, and some were trying to push others aside, and they tried to go forward. A princess of the Nepalese royal house appears. Okay, a princess appears. Everyone bows and makes way. Bows क्या होता है? Bows means to put your head down. Okay, and makes way means उसको जो रास्ता वो छोड़ दे. By the main gate, a party of saffron-clad Westerners struggle for permission to enter. By the main gate, क्या हुआ? देखो, by the main gate, a party of saffron-clad Westerners struggle for permission to enter. Some Westerners, some Western people. The policeman is not convinced that they are the Hindus. policemen said that they are not Hindus. They, okay, the policeman means one policeman was there. Only Hindus are entered in the temple. Okay. A fight breaks out between two monkeys. One chases the other, who jumps onto a Shivalinga, then runs screaming around the temples and down to the river. तो ऐसे हुआ, दो मंकी के बीच में चेजिंग हुआ, okay, and one screamed and went to the jumped to the river. Next, that is the holy Bagmati, that river, okay, that flows below. उस पशुपतिनाथ टेम्पल का बिलो कोई रिवर है. A corpse is being cremated on its banks. Okay, corpse क्या होता है? Lash. So is being cremated. उसको okay digging करके वहां पे on its banks. Okay. Washer women are at their work and children's bath. Okay. So washer women उनका काम कर रहे हैं और children bath. Okay. What is the spelling of bath? Can wait. Whom I'll tell? Yes. B-A-T-H. No. B-A-T-H-E. Okay. B-A-T-H is the noun form and the verb form is B-A-T-H-E. Okay. कभी कभी ऐसा देखो, हाँ, washer women at their work, the children bath. From a balcony, a basket of flowers and leaves, old offerings now wilted, is dropped into the river. From a balcony, some old flowers were dropped. Okay. A small shrine half protrudes from the stone platform on the river bank. Okay. Shrine मतलब a place of worship. Okay. Protrudes मतलब वो बाहर निकल आया. थोड़ा okay, थोड़ा से so दिखता है. From the stone platform on the river bank. यहाँ पे एक stone platform है, एक मतलब एक बड़ा सा पत्थर है, वहाँ पे है वो. When it emerges fully, the goddess inside will escape. Okay, and the evil period of the Kali Yuga will end on earth. ये belief है. एक, this is the belief. Okay, you can say blind belief that one day it will emerge fully. Okay, and the goddess inside will escape. The goddess will go away, and the evil period of Kali Yuga will end. That means पाप का विनाश हो जाएगा. Escape मतलब चला जाएगा. ठीक है. At the Bodhanath Stupa, there is another place, the Buddhist shrine of Kathmandu. बुद्धिस्ट वहां पे आके प्रे करते हैं. देयर इज इन कंट्रास्ट मतलब ए सेंस ऑफ अ स्टिलनेस. वहां पे पूरा अलग ऑपोजिट आप पाओगे, पूरा क्वाइटनेस पाओगे, स्टिलनेस पाओगे. ओके, पूरा साइलेंस मिलेगा. हाँ, इट्स इमेंस व्हाइट स्टोन, sorry, white dome. Dome is ringed by a road. Okay, its immense white dome is ringed by a road. That means a road is around it. Okay. Small shops stand on its outer edge. Many of these are owned by Tibetan immigrants. That means immigrants means people coming from Tibet. People coming from Tibet, they have made those shops. एनसीसी में हो फिर भी तुम्हारा बहुत सारे एक एनसीसी स्टूडेंट्स नॉर्मली डू शो डिसिप्लिन. So Tibetan immigrants, Tibetan prints and silver jewelry can be bought here. Okay, so bags, Tibetan prints, मतलब Tibetan printings, paintings, and silver jewelry you can get from there. There are no crowds. This is a heaven of quietness in the busy streets around. So very silent place. विविड का मतलब क्या है? विविड का मतलब काठमांडू इज विविड. काठमांडू इज विविड. विविड का मतलब लाइवली. ओके, लाइवली है, हमेशा बिजी रहता है. मर्सिनरी, रिलीजियस विथ स्मॉल श्राइन्स. स्मॉल श्राइन्स, छोटा छोटा मतलब वर्शिप करने का जगह. ठीक है. टू फ्लावर आर्डन डेटीज, बहुत सारे जगह में मतलब अपने फ्लावर आर्डन. आर्डन क्या होता है? आर्डन मतलब हाँ, जो मतलब की केप्ट. आर्डन मतलब वो जो बोलते हैं सजाने का. So flower adorned deities along the narrowest and busiest streets. जो नैरो स्ट्रीट है, बिजिएस्ट स्ट्रीट है, वहां पे भी आपको मिलेगा. ओके. विथ फ्रूट सेलर्स, हॉकर्स ऑफ पोस्ट कार्ड्स, शॉप सेलिंग वेस्टर्न कॉस्मेटिक्स, फिल्म रोल्स एंड चॉकलेट. सो दीज आर दी शॉप्स you will find there. Okay. और कॉपर यूटेंसिल्स एंड नेपालीज एंटिक्स. तुमको कॉपर यूटेंसिल मिलेगा और नेपालीज एंटिक मतलब पुराना चीज मिलेगा. ओके, स्टैच्यू वगैरह, एंटिक्स. फिल्म सॉन्ग्स एक ब्लेयर आउट फ्रॉम रेडियोज. सो कार हॉर्न साउंड्स, बाइसाइकिल बेल्स रिंग, ये सब मिलेगा. स्ट्रे काउज लो. ओके. क्वेश्चनिंगली एट द मोटरसाइकिल्स, मतलब जो काउज भी घूमते रहते हैं और वेंडर शाउट आउट देयर वेयर्स. तो वेंडर लोग हैं जो, तो वो लोग अपने अपने चीज, वेयर्स मतलब अपने अपने चीज बेचते रहते हैं. आई इंडल्ज माई सेल्फ माइंडलेसली. ओके, बाय ए, सो आई इंडल्ज माई सेल्फ. ओके, माइंडलेसली मतलब मैं वहां पे ध्यान नहीं दिया. बाय ए बार ऑफ मार्जिपैन, ए कॉर्न ऑन द कॉब रोस्टेड इन द चारकोल ब्राजियर. वो रोस्टेड हुआ चीज है, उसको मैंने खाया. ऑन द पेवमेंट. ओके, उसमें क्या है? रब्ड विथ सॉल्ट, चिली पाउडर एंड लेमन. उसमें पड़ के वो जो चीज को खाया. ठीक है. ए कपल ऑफ लव स्टोरी कॉमिक्स, वो भी खरीदे. ओके. बुक्स एंड इवन ए रीडर्स डाइजेस्ट, वो रीडर्स डाइजेस्ट भी खरीदे. All that I washed down, all this I washed down with Coca-Cola and a nauseating orange drink. ऐसे nauseating मतलब sickening, वो एक orange drink लिए and feel much better for it and उनको अच्छा लगा. ठीक है. I consider what route I should take back home if. Okay. So in which route he will go to home? If I were propelled by enthusiasm for a travel per se, so if I were propelled, अगर मैं जाऊंगा by enthusiasm का मतलब क्या है? Excited. For travel per se by itself, I would go by bus and train to Patna. So वो बोलते हैं कि मैं कहाँ कैसे जाऊंगा? बस में पटना जाऊंगा. Then sail of the Ganges. Then जो गंगा में क्या करेगा? सेल करके पास्ट बनारस टू इलाहाबाद. बनारस होके वो इलाहाबाद जाएंगे. Then up to यमुना. Then यमुना में रिवर में पास्ट आगरा टू दिल्ली. ओके, दिल्ली तक जाएंगे. But I am too exhausted and homesick. Exhausted का मतलब क्या है? टायर्ड हो गया. Today is the last day of August. Go home, I tell myself. Okay. I tell what he told to himself that I should go home. Move directly towards home. I enter a Nepal Airlines office and buy a ticket for tomorrow's flight. But he did not go by bus or what he wanted. He made a ticket for flight. I look at the flute seller standing in a corner of the square near the hotel. Okay, flute बेच रहा था, उसको देखा. In his hand is a pole with an attachment at the top from which 50 or 60 बांसुरी protrude. Protrude means मतलब वो निकल आया है. ठीक है, निकल आया मतलब वहां पे बांधा हुआ है. ठीक है. सो देखो, protrude in all directions. वो क्या बांधा हुआ है? Flutes. Okay, like the quills of a porcupine. Porcupine मतलब वो जो उड़िया में हम बोलते हैं झिंका, राइट? झिंक. सो उसका जो क्विल्स है उसके तरह. ठीक है. They are of bamboo. These flutes are of bamboo. There are cross flutes and recorders. From time to time he stands the pole on the ground. So sometimes he puts the pole on the ground. Okay, selects a flute and plays for a few minutes. उसको बजाता है वो. Okay, the sound rises clearly above the noise of the traffic. वो जो फ्लूट का साउंड थोड़ा शार्प होता है, हाई पिच साउंड है, उसको वो so rises above the noise of the traffic and the hawker's cries. उसको मतलब इतना वो फ्लूट साउंड होता है कि सबको ये कर देता है. क्या? He plays slowly, meditatively, without excessive display. वो एक्चुअली जैसा बजाता है, जैसे लगता है उसको वो पूरा ध्यान देके बजाता है. ठीक है. वो ऐसा एक्सेसिव डिस्प्ले नहीं करता है, दिखाने के लिए नहीं करता है. सो वो एक्सेसिवली इतना शो नहीं करता था. He does not shout out his wares. वो भी उसका चीज बेचने के लिए चिल्लाता नहीं था. Occasionally he makes a cell, but in a curiously off-handed way, as if this were incidental to his enterprise. So वो चिल्लाता नहीं था, क्या करता था? Occasionally he makes a cell. Okay, so sometimes he was making a cell, but in a curiously off-handed way, as if this were incidental to his enterprise. Okay, वो ज्यादा ध्यान दे रहा था बजाने के लिए. Okay, जैसे incidental है, मतलब बीच बीच में वो बेचता था. Sometimes he breaks off playing. Okay, to talk to the fruit seller. हम okay, break off मतलब बंद करना. Okay, फ्रूट सेलर से बात करने के लिए जब करता था वो बंद कर दिया. क्या था? आई इमेजिन दैट दिस हैज बीन दी पैटर्न ऑफ हिज लाइफ फॉर इयर्स. ओके, इससे वो बहुत दिन से शायद करता है, इसे उसको उनको लगा. आई फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू टीयर माई सेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम द स्क्वायर. तो मैं स्क्वायर को इतना मुझे अच्छा लगा, मैं जुड़ गया था स्क्वायर के साथ, वो चौक के साथ, और मैं जाने के लिए मुझे इच्छा नहीं हुआ. फ्लूट म्यूजिक ऑलवेज डज दिस टू मी. फ्लूट म्यूजिक always does this to me. Always it attracts me. It is at once the most universal and most particular of sounds. वो अच्छा sound है, particular of sounds. There is no culture that doesn't have there is no culture that does not have this flute. Every culture, okay, in every मैंने सब संस्कृति में तुम फ्लूट पाओगे. ठीक है. द रिकॉर्डर, द जापानीज शाकुहाई, द डीप शाकुहाची, अच्छा, द डीप बांसुरी ऑफ हिंदुस्तानी क्लासिकल म्यूजिक, द क्लियर एंड ब्रेदी फ्लूट्स ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका. एवरीवेयर फ्लूट का यूज होता है. The high-pitched Chinese flutes everywhere. Each has its specific fingering and a compass. तो compass मतलब range. So उनका it waves. Compass मतलब range. Each has its specific fingering and a compass. It waves its own associations. Yet to hear any flute is, it seems to me, to be drawn into a commonality of all mankind. So commonality of all mankind, मतलब कुछ में common होता है. To be moved by music closest to its phrases and sentences to the human voice. Its motive force too is in living breath. It too needs to pause and breathe before it can go on. Okay, then that I can be so affected by a few familiar phrases on the bansuri surprises me at first. For on the previous occasions that I have returned home after a long absence abroad, I have hardly noticed such details, and certainly have not invested them with the